In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create most clickable thumbnails with the help of AI like this. And towards the end, I'm going to give you two very important tips which are going to blow your mind for sure. So make sure to stick around with me till there, and for now, let's begin with the tutorial. Step 1. Finding the best thumbnail for your niche. For this, go to Google account or Google homepage. In the search bar, type your niche. Like here, I have typed text to video and then go to search. Check the views and number of days before it was published. So we will go ahead and check, like this one is also having more than 2 lakh views. So we can consider this one. So all I need to do is just copy this URL and go to youtube-thumbnailprivate.com. I will leave this link in the description. So please see the process for now. So I will simply paste it and get thumbnail image. Now I got this image. I will download it in HD thumbnail quality. Now this is the time when we should be actually curating the image. Now before I go to that, I want to show you different types of thumbnails. What are they called? This is an impersonate AI generated thumbnail where we are not getting anybody's face here. This is absolutely created with the help of AI image generation. Okay, we can even create something like this. This is what is trending now. Step 3. Go to leonardo.ai and create your own account. And then go to image generation option. What all I need to do is I need to go to this AI image option, and here I will have to upload these images. But here is a problem. There are texts, right? So before that, we will have to head over to canva.com. Now here is one trick. We need a Canva Pro account in order to do what I'm going to show you. Therefore, if you're not a Canva Pro user, I request you to go to my affiliate link and upgrade your account for free to Canva Pro for 30 days. Once you're satisfied and see the results, if you like, you can continue. If you don't like, you can discontinue. So I will go here in the search bar and type YouTube thumbnail. We just need a blank template. Now I will go to upload section and go to upload file and simply upload the image which we have generated. So we will take these two images. Now I will take this one, see properly. Select it, it will come on the canvas. Now go to the top left hand side, edit photo option. Now here we got some magic studio options shown in the top, right? First we are going to use this grab text option. By going to this plus button, we can add a new canvas. So let us head back to this option. So we have got our text here. So I will simply Ctrl X. I will just get rid of this text and paste it here. Now, there are a few more things which are left which I don't like. So what will I do? I will again select the image. Don't keep selecting the background. Select the image, go to edit photo option. Now go to magic erase option. Select the brush size as per your need and just select those areas which I want to get rid of. Okay. Now edit photo. Now we will simply not create a background. We will simply drag this photo corner to corner. That's it. Okay, now we will go to share option, download, PNG will be selected. I will just uncheck all the boxes. I will check only number 1 box and download it. Now let us head back again to Leonardo AI. Okay, what I will do, I will upload one of these images. Let's suppose I upload this image. This strength has to be around 40 to 50%. Okay. Now we will go to generation history option. Okay. Now here we will have to give some detail. I give this is a default prompt which I use. Okay. This is front view, full body, portrait, real picture, intrinsic value, depth in field. You can give outdoor, beautiful lighting, raw photo, 8K. You can give it 64K. Okay. I will use from here, let us try with Dream Shepherd. From here in the drop down, you go to this Dream Shepherd option. Now from the left, you can choose the number of images you want, maximum 4. I am choosing 2. Next, alchemy toggles should be on if you are a pro user, and you can choose dynamic or creative, either of it. Other things you might consider, might not. I use either dynamic or creative. At this moment, I'm taking dynamic. But this is not compulsory. If you don't want to use it, you may skip this part. Next, we are not going to do anything else. We will just keep the aspect ratio as 16:9 and just hit generate option. And let's wait and see how the photo is getting generated. Look, they have created a similar image but with some different effect. Now, if you want to change it further, you can go for some other style. Let's suppose I want 3D animation style, and here I will give some more detail. If I give these and 3D anim style, and then I go here image generation style, and I will just reduce it to around 20-25%, and then hit generate. Let's see what they do generate. By this strength, you actually give the algorithm an idea that how similar kind of image you're expecting. So if you make it more than 50%, it will be more like this image, but with your copyright, with your style, because we are choosing a fine-tuned model from here. If it is below 50%, maybe 20-25 around, then it will be more emphasizing on your command, on your prompt, but we'll just take the image as a reference. So let's see how is it making our image. Look, it is completely different, right? This one is completely different and looking really funny. Okay, so what we will do is, even this one is very sweet. Now what I will do, I will make a mixture of these two images. So what I will do, I will select it. I will go to this smooth upscale option so that the image looks more smoother. There is no grain. And now I will go to this download image to download this image. Similarly, I will take this image. Okay, I will smooth upscale it. Okay, now I will download it.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment.
Now we will be going for the final image or final thumbnail creation with the help of Canva Magic. So I will head over to Canva. I will take a new slide and go to upload section, go to upload files option, and now I will select my images and open. I will take this image. Okay, I will take another add page. I will select this image. I will go to this edit photo option, and this time I'm going to use magic grab option. Now what has it done? It has separated this subject from the background. Now I will simply Control X. I will come here and Control C. Okay. Now what will I do? I will take actually this one. I will go to position and backward. I will select the background image. I'll go to edit photo option, magic grab option, and here also I will do the magic grabbing of these two subjects. See, I've got these two. So now I can manipulate. Then I will select it, go to position. Either you go to backward this way. Otherwise, you go to this layered option, okay, and just drag it down to this, so it will go backwards. Now, if you want this little one also to be flipped, it is on the right hand side facing, you want this little one to be left hand side facing, all I need to do is just double click, just double it by this double duplicate option and just select it here. Now, select this one and just reduce the size, okay, like this, and this one and this little one I have got separated, see, since I have duplicated it. And now what will I do? I will select this little one, go to this flip option and flip it horizontally and bring it here. Once you go to edit photo option, go to this see all option. Here you will find different filters. You can use any of these filters, whichever suits your image. Okay. For me, for the background, I am using this Luna filter, which will make the background little bluish. You can increase or decrease the intensity of the filter. For this one, I will use Bali filter, okay, and for the mother, I will be using Capri filter. For further adjustments, if you want to make the background a little blurred, then go to this adjustment option. If you want to change any of the colors, let's suppose I want to change this color of the hat, okay, so select the color of the photo from here and come a little downwards. Let's suppose I'm keeping the hue at -5. Saturation little backwards and brightness little more. That way it is looking more fairer. Like this only. If you want to change any color from this, you can just take it this way, the saturation higher and little bit more brighter. You go to this text option, take any text box, type it, each word separately. I will change the font style. Maybe I'll take this one. So if I select this, it will say all folder display options has to be changed to this. If I go to change, it will automatically change all three options. Go to this spacing option and increase it. Now simply go to this styler option and select this, and same way again styler option and select the third box. That way all the boxes will have similar effect. Now what will I do? I will simply enlarge it by going to this option. What will I do? I will go to this, I will select this option, go to effect option. You can go for neon effect. Okay, you can increase or decrease the intensity of neon effect. And from here, I will take yellow color. Okay, so this way you can change the color. Now select all these three boxes and go to this position option. See properly, go to arrange and tidy up. That way these will align in the right way. Selecting together, just increase it a little bit so that it looks little bigger and group them. I will just go to element option and take one and enter, and there I will get different arrows in graphic section. So if I go to the see all option, I get different arrows. I can take any of these arrows. Okay, I can just flip it horizontally and then I can just flip it like so and reduce the size. Now one more thing, I want this yellow to be like this. So what will I do? I will select this video color, go to this color palette, go to this plus button, go to this speaker button and take this yellow color instead. Okay, so this will be little intense yellow. So that way you can achieve this color. So once everything is done, what we will do is we will go to this share button, go to download button. Here I will uncheck everything. I will just check this and done and download it. Okay, so this is how you can manipulate an image, an existing image, and create a nice thumbnail out of it. Okay, now one more thing. I told you I will be showing you how you can create this similar type of thumbnail but using your face. For this I'm going to use two separate other softwares. First of all, I will have to go to Leonardo AI, go to the home page and select an image which you want to use as your thumbnail image. Okay, let's suppose I want this sort of a thumbnail, but I want this person to be replaced by me. Okay, so for that, what kind of appeal you want to show, that you'll have to choose. Let's suppose I am choosing this image. Okay, I want myself look like this. Okay, so what all I need to do is I will go to this drop down. I will take this high normal quality. Okay, and download it. Okay, and simultaneously I will be downloading this tutorials image. Now I will simply copy this. I will paste it here and get the thumbnail and download it. Option where we will be swapping our face. One disclaimer, you can only swap your own face. You cannot use anybody else's face. If specifically you are in India or you are in a country where you have the legal barrier to use anybody else's face, it might bring you to a great trouble. So please use your own face just to create a self-branded thumbnail for your channel. Okay. So with that being said, let us move to the final software which I said in the beginning I'll be giving you towards the end. So let us see which software is that. I am using a software named cart.ai. If you go to this software, you have the option in the home page. You'll have to create your own account. You are having different type of options here. Out of that, I majorly use this face swap option. You can also select an image from here. Beautiful lady in a formal shirt. So if I just go enter, it will show me all the results with lady in formal shirt. Okay. Yep, this is pretty cool. I can use this one. If you select an image, the best thing is you can get similar sort of images at the down bottom. Okay, you can even choose from there. So anyway, I will stick to this. So all I need to do is I need to go to this tiny download button to download this image. And let us go to face swap option from the top. So you can select any of these videos, go to this try option, just cross it. Okay, then go to this image option. You can also swap videos amongst all these videos. You can swap it by your face. I have created a whole tutorial on this software. The link will be in the description as well as to the top right hand side info I button. I will go to image section and go to custom template. Now I will first select this image which I have downloaded from cr.ai only. Now you will have to go to this plus button and you will have to upload one or two of your own face where the face is being visible from the front. So I will use this face. Just select that face and go to this generate option. My face is swapped with it, so I can go and download it. Okay. Similarly, I can just delete this completely, confirm, go to another template, go to this image, just upload this image. So here I will again select this face and generate. Let us see. So this has got a better result, so I will download it. I will go to upload section and just go to upload and select all these two faces and this photo. Okay, open all these three. From here, I will take only this part. Okay, so what I'll do, I will just crop it and let's see how we can get rid of this background. So go to this option and BG remove. Now I will take this one. Okay, now what will I do? I will select this, go to this option and magic grab. I have got myself out. Now I can simply do one thing. I will go to this element option and here I will go for grid, G-R-I-D, grid. Okay, I will select the grid. I will simply position this and it will automatically occupy the background. I can double click and I can bring it little downwards. Okay, now I will just press Control, otherwise your image will be stuck at the back, and just increase the size of your image like so. Okay, this one. Now I want a glow effect, so I will select my image. I will go to this edit photo option. I will go to this shadow option, go to this glow shadow option. You can increase the size. Okay, you can increase the blurriness, and then you go to this color option, and if you want to give any other color of the glow, you can give that. Okay, let's suppose I am taking a color from here. So what I will do is I will just select this. I will go to edit photo option and I will take this adjustment option. I will take these images this color or this color. I will see the hex code, edit photo option, go to this three dots of shadow option, take the color and here give the hex code. You can take the background also, go to edit photo option. You can even change that color. Okay, you can take the red color and you can change it to little bit yellowish. Okay, that way it will look nice. So once it is done, again same way, go to share option, go to download option and you can uncheck all these boxes and check only the box which you want to create and done and download. Now one more thing, I will show you the last software which is another surprise. As I told you, I'm going to give you two surprises. So for this I am going to use thumbsup.tv. This is a software which I will be the link will be given in the description. Now here I will just select the thumbnail which I have generated, open it, and then here you will have to give a title and then you will automatically see different aspect ratios.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.